Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you a skill which is very easy and you can earn good amount of money by giving the services of this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So let's get started. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create or design a newsletter in Canva and then sell this skill on freelancing platforms. So first of all, I am going to fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is one of the best and top freelancing platform where you can sell your services and earn money according to it. So here I write newsletter. So newsletter, sorry, wait a second, newsletter. So there are 3016 services available for this. So it means there are 3000 plus freelancers are giving this service. So let's check the gig and analyze this gig. We just have to provide the design of the newsletter, and the content is provided by client. So you just have to design the newsletter. So let's start. The basic package is of $80. The standard package is of $155, and premium package is for $300. But this is for writing also, but I write here newsletter design. So you can check this is the right keyword, and there are also 10,880 freelancers which are giving these services, and there are many orders on the top. So you can this is the good skill to work on. So that's it for our Fiverr part, and we see that there is a demand of this skill, and let's go to Canva and start designing and start learning this skill. So I cross this and I go to Canva. Here I write newsletter, email newsletter or newsletter. I prefer email newsletter. Mostly clients give you the work of designing email newsletter. So as you can see, it gives us different templates, but I click on create a blank email newsletter. It is loading. Wait for some seconds. So that's it. It is loaded. So I want to create a newsletter for a food business. So I write here food, and it gives me different templates of food. So I want this one. Yes, this is a good design. I zoom in for the clear view. So this is a good design. So first of all, I would like to change the background image, and in photos, and I write here food, and this is a good image, and this and send to back. Layer, send backward. That's good. So after that I want to change this color black. That's good. And if you want to change these colors, yeah, it's look good. We also want to bold this one, and yes. So you can change the content, also change the content wherever you need. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So I will meet you in the next video with some new skills. So share it with your friends and family, and tell them that there are I am teaching the online skills for online earning. So keep joining, stay tuned. I will meet you in the next video. Goodbye.